Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know if you're like me, you love watching makeup unboxing videos, and today that's what you're gonna get. I'm gonna be unboxing a large box of makeup sent to me from Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, and I might let you in on a little secret that's coming from Cody Jay in the future, like real soon in the future, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so I hope you're having a fantastic day. It is currently 5 a.m. because that's what we do. At 5 a.m. we film, it's what we do. But today I'm gonna be unboxing a rather large 4-pound box of makeup from Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. Now, first and foremost, we need to set something straight. I hear people call this gourmande, gourmande, gourmander, like all kinds of weird variations of the name. So I reached out to the owner of this company and was like, hey, I pronounce it Gourmande Girls, is that correct? And she said, yes, it is Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, so if you didn't know how to say it or you thought you were saying it right and you weren't, you're welcome. So, I have this big box here, it's 4 pounds. Now, like at least half of these products I purchased with my own money and the rest were sent over as gifts, which I'm very grateful for. So, I thought we would just jump right in and start unboxing it and showing you what we got, because a lot of the stuff I haven't actually even seen before and I really don't know exactly what all is in here. But if you'd like to check out this brand, make sure you head over to Instagram. I will link them in my description box below, so please check them out. This brand is a wonderful woman-owned brand, so that's very important to me. So let's just get started. So I think instead of like holding the whole box of like, here's a whole bunch of stuff, but instead of just like holding it up the whole time, I'm just going to like pick from it, because look at Dumbledore, he's over there all excited. Look at him, over there, there we go. Everything's backwards, sorry. Okay, so to get started with some lashes, we have the style Summer. Gorgeous. I'll definitely use these when I do like my single eye looks, because y'all know the drill by now. Hooded eyes can't have big lashes on camera. Then we have the style, I think it's, I don't know, Chelly, right there. So however you decide to say it. So right there. Then we have the style Ashley. Those are so stunning. Love those. Oh my gosh. Okay, also, before I forget, I have this beautiful t-shirt. Hello. Oh, also you can use code CodyJ for 10% off. I was just given that code. It's just a discount code, so I do not get anything. No commission or anything like that, but you can buy all kinds of products with that code, so I love this. Now this video is also gonna be a 2-part video, so this first one is just an unboxing, and then I'm gonna do a different video where I don't have makeup on, and I'm gonna be using as much of these products as I can to really test them out. Okay, so I have this little package. Don't know what is inside it, but let me just use my man's strength and rip it open. So there's lots of little baggies in here. Oh, are they glitters? Yes, they're glitters. So again, some of these I bought and some were gifted, if that matters to some people. So let me open them all up. Okay, so while I'm opening up these little baggies, I would like to know in the comments below, please and thank you, if you have used this brand before. If you have, what are your thoughts? And also, if you have not used them, at the end of this video, which I hope you watch it all the way through, let me know what your first thoughts and opinions are on this brand, just from the aesthetic, the packaging, the products, the variety, all that good stuff. And, I know I'm asking a lot, and if you do use this brand or have used this brand and you love this brand, do you think that this would be a good brand for, I don't know, some beautiful male YouTuber to potentially create a product with? Please let me know. Okay, so besides that, we have some glitters here. We have Nebula. I'll show you the backs because I feel like you can see that easier. We have Nebula, Golden Doll. We have Mermaid Kisses. It's kind of stuck at the top, but we have Stellar, which, oh my gosh. Like, if you haven't noticed, I've been starting to use glitter now instead of shimmers, which, because it's just like so much more impactful. So stuff like this is gonna be amazing for me because I can really add some like flair to it. We have Gourmande. And last but not least, we have Gray and Sparkle. Like, oh gosh, I wish I would have gotten this out earlier. I'd have this on my lids right now. I love these types of things because the little shapes and the colors, and I feel like it can really accent your look a lot, like, duh. So, up next we have some liquid lipsticks. I think I'll open some of them. Okay, actually there's just 4, so I'm gonna open them all. Like, let's not be lazy here. So, the first shade is called Churro. Super stunning. Definitely not my typical, like, none of these lipsticks are my typical colors, but I would like to try them and try out combinations. Then we have Gourmande. That's so stunning. That's like Barbie beautiful pink. Then we have Send Nudes, which I think is gorgeous. This is definitely one that I would use to lighten up something in the middle. I've been doing a lot of combinations lately, so that's what I use that for. Then we have Pink Cauliflower. Alrighty, next I have 3 lipsticks. This is the packaging, which is, oh my gosh, this is everything. Like, the entire aesthetic of this brand is like fun, playful, beautiful, just girly, just princess, just beautiful. I love it. Oh wow, is this, oh my gosh, look at the component. Ooh, that's so weird because it's like, I don't even know, like speckled, but it's like soft. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is in the shade Pumpkin. Ooh, okay, let me, this. Don't mind the callus on my hand, please. I've been shoveling like 1.5 feet of snow the last 3 days. It will not stop snowing, and I hate snow. Next we have Nikki's Nude. So let me just, I have such a bad habit of like destroying packaging when I open it. Not a good thing. Oh, I love this. Like, I'm a liquid lipstick kind of person, but like, come on, come on. That is stunning. That with a little bit of this in the center. With this in the center, that'll be epic. Yeah, I'm gonna use that for sure. And then we have, what is this called? Girl About Town. So let me, again, oh, I didn't destroy it too badly for that one. That's good. Oh, wow, okay. That's like a beautiful purple rose. It definitely, on my monitor at least, is showing up a bit more purple than it actually is in the package, like it's, or in the component, but super gorgeous. Wow, that's stunning. Stunning. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna move on to some palettes. I have 4 of them here, and most of these are collaborations with influencers, which I think is amazing. This brand does a lot of influencer collaborations, which would be really cool if I did one with. Okay, so first up we have the Spectra palette, which I believe is newer to the collection. Gourmande Girls X Krista Rice Makeup. So I have not looked up who these people are, which I should and will if I'm using the palette, but oh, that's gorgeous. So this is what it looks like inside. Take the little cover off. That's beautiful. It's got a mirror. Everything's stunning. I love the colors. There's lots to choose from. Definitely can do a lot of neutrals. You can do a lot of colors. There's a lot of shimmer in here. Oh, this is, yeah, that's stunning. I can't wait to create with that for sure. Okay, up next we have the Sugar Shop palette by Gourmande Girls. Now this is just, I believe, just their brand. Not a collaboration with anyone. This is definitely gorgeous. How fun and like girly and pretty is that? That's stunning. Like that pink at the top, a lollipop, has a little bit of metallic reflex in it. That's super stunning. Ooh, I love this. Wild Berry and Blood Orange. Oh my gosh, those two together. Deep with a little bit of black licorice. I love it. And all the names are fun, like Sugar, Spun, Glazed, Cotton Candy, Tangerine, Strawberry Shortcake, Marshmallow, Macaroon. Love that. That's stunning. Can't wait to play with that. Then we have the Vivacious palette. This is with Gourmande Girls and Ashley Eats Dinos 13. Like, I'm sure I'm probably saying some of these names wrong. I'm sorry, they're not normal names, they're usernames, like, sue me. Okay, was not expecting this. This is a 9-pan palette. Pans are much, much larger. Love that. Oh, I love these colors. All the purples for sure are up my alley. And Vivacious looks like Mama Tutorials from the Nikki Tutorials X Beauty Babe palette. So I cannot wait to use that because that shadow is one of my favorites. It also reminds me of this one from Makeup Geek called Medieval. Come on. Kind of love that. They also had a shade called Pegasus, which has always been my favorite, so I can't wait to see how that holds up to those. And last but most certainly not least, we have the Exquisite palette. This is Gourmande Girls X Batgirl Eka, Volume 2. We're gonna go with that. Okay, opening this up. Oh, that's stunning. Look at that. Let me take a little slip cover off. Look at that. Ooh, very spacey, very beautiful. Very reminiscent of something that I was planning on doing. But, we have a lot of beautiful colors. There's Supernova, Gaia, Nebula, Dark Rift, you have Red Planet, the Core, you have Blue Moon, Dead Planet over here, Milky Way, Galactic. That's stunning. Like, this is beautiful. Look at Blue Moon. How stunning that is. Let me put it up real close to you guys. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just want to use all of these. Like, I'm gonna definitely use every one of these palettes for sure, obviously. I'm definitely gonna do some dedicated videos using these palettes, maybe do one video with like 2 palettes per video, something like that. But again, this is part 1 of a part 2 kind of little quick mini series, if you will, on this indie brand. This is just an unboxing. The second one will be me actually using these products to show you what I think about them. But as far as today's video with the unboxing, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. Please make sure you leave me some comments on if you've used this brand before, and if you have, whatever your thoughts on it. If you have not, are you interested in using it now? And would this be a brand, if you have used this brand, that you would think would be a good idea for me to potentially maybe possibly collaborate with in the future, like maybe the near future, who knows? Who knows? But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you check out Gourmande Girls on Instagram and other social media. I will have them all linked down in my description box below. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching as usual. If you would like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. Make sure you check out my TikTok because we are blowing up right now. We just hit 20,000. That's insane to me. But other than that, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much much for watching today's video, and I hope you have the day you deserve.